Cleanup tool missing after iOS 27? Here's how to fix it. Restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up button. Press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the Apple logo appears. A quick restart can refresh system processes that may not have loaded properly after the update. Once your iPhone restarts, open the Photos app and check if the cleanup tool is now available. If it's still missing, move on to the next solution. Turn on Siri AI. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Siri. Select Requests. Make sure Siri AI is turned on. This feature is only available on the latest supported version of iOS. Older versions of Siri do not support the cleanup feature. Check Wi-Fi and language. Connect your iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi network. Give Apple Intelligence a few minutes to finish downloading and setting up in the background. Next, make sure your iPhone language and Siri language are set to the same supported language. If the languages don't match, Apple Intelligence features may not work correctly. The cleanup tool might not appear in the Photos app. Check device compatibility. Make sure your iPhone supports Apple Intelligence. The cleanup tool is only available on supported devices. This includes the iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and all iPhone 16, iPhone 17, and newer models. If you're using an older iPhone, the cleanup feature won't be available. Free up storage. Apple Intelligence needs enough free storage to download and run its AI models. If your iPhone is low on storage, free up some space and then try again. Once you've done that, open the Photos app. Select a regular still photo. Tap the Edit button at the bottom. Look for the Cleanup tool in the editing menu. If you don't see it, tap the Tools button. If the Cleanup option appears, select it. Brush over the object or person you want to remove. Apple Intelligence will automatically remove it from the photo. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll and look for the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, and click on it. Tap Reset. Choose Reset All Settings. Confirm your choice if prompted. This won't erase your photos, apps, or other personal data. This may resolve the issue and restore the missing feature, and that's it.